Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn how to talk about our family using Ali, please tell us about your family using simple English sentences. Take your time and speak slowly so everyone can understand you clearly.
Thank you, Miss Ayesha. There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents, my younger sister, and my grandfather.
Thank you, Ali. You spoke very clearly. Now, could you please tell us who is the oldest person in your family and what you enjoy doing together?
The oldest person in my family is my grandfather. He is very kind and wise. He tells us interesting stories.
Excellent job, Ali. Thank you for sharing about your family. Now, Fatima, please tell us about your family using simple and clear English sentences.
Thank you, Miss Ayesha. There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents, my younger brother, and my grandmother. We always help and care for each other.
Excellent answer, Fatima. Now I have another simple question. What do you and your family usually enjoy doing together on weekends? Ali, please answer first. Tell us one important lesson that your family has taught you, and explain why it is meaningful to you.
My family has taught me to always be honest, respect others, and help people whenever I can. I believe these values will help me become a better person in the future. I also enjoy helping my parents with small household chores. Spending time with my family teaches me kindness, responsibility, and respect for everyone at home.
Thank you, Ali. That was a thoughtful answer. Now, Fatima, please tell us one important lesson your family has taught you and why it is special to you.
My family has taught me to be kind, respectful, and grateful every day. They always remind me to help others.
Excellent work, Ali and Fatima. You both spoke clearly and confidently about your friends and families. Excellent work, Ali. Both of you described your families very clearly. Before we finish today's lesson, I have one last question for both of you to think about. Wonderful work, everyone. Thank you for learning English with us today. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.